Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem. 1 over x plus 1 over y equal 1 over 10. Then find x plus y. Solution. 1 over x plus 1 over y equal to 1 over 10. We are going to put on the same denominator x, y. xy over x is equal to y. Y times 1 is equal to y plus xy over y is equal to x times 1 equal to x is equal to 1 over 10. Now cross multiply, we get x y is equal to 10 times y plus x. So xy is equal to multiply into y plus x. Multiply 10 into y plus x. 10 times y is equal to 10y plus 10 times x equal to 10x. Next step, we move this right side into the left. xy minus 10y minus 10x equal to 0. Let's add 100 on both sides. So we have xy minus 10y minus 10x plus 100 is equal to plus 100. We add both sides by 100. So we have y here is common. We have y out of parentheses, x minus 10 minus, we put 10 out, 10 x, 10 minus 10 is equal to 100. Here we have x minus 10 common. X minus 10 y times x minus 10 over x minus 10 is equal to y, then minus 10 x minus 10 over x minus 10 remain 10, which is equal to 100. As we see, we have the multiple of x minus 10 and y minus 10, which is equal to 100. Now to find factors of 100. 100 can be equal to 100 times 1, or it can be equal to 1 times 100, or it can be equal to 10 times 10. So here we have x minus 10 and y minus 10 is equal to 100 times 1, or x minus 10 y minus 10 is equal to 1 times 100, or x minus 10 and y minus 10 is equal to 10 times 10. Let's say this is question 1, this is question 2, this is question 3. And then from equation 1 we have this is equal to this 100 and this is equal to 1. X minus 10 is equal to 100 and y minus 10 is equal to 1. So here we put this 10 on the other side. Have x which is equal to 100 plus 10, x which is equal to 110, and here y is equal to 1 plus 10, y equal to 11. So here x plus y is equal to 110 plus 11, which is equal to 121. This is the value of x plus y from this equation 1. And from equation 2, x minus 10 is equal to 1 and y minus 10 is equal to 100. So here x is equal to 1 plus 10, which is equal to 11. Here y is equal to 100 plus 10, y which is equal to 110. So x plus y is equal to x11 plus y 110, which is equal to 121. And from the third, from equation 3, x minus 10, from here x minus 10 is equal to 10 and y minus 10 is equal to 10. Y minus 10 equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20, and y is equal to 10 plus 10, y which is equal to 20. So x plus y is equal to 20 plus 20, which is equal to 40. So from this problem we have three solutions of x plus y. The first one is 121, which is equal to the second 121, and the third is equal to 40. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.